Hey guys, in what appears to be a major change in tradition, Xiaomi is reported to be working on two flagships for the first half of the year. Other than the Mi 7, which should naturally be the next flagship, there have been rumors and leaks about another flagship, the Mi Mix 2S. According to what we have learned so far, the Mi Mix 2S will be a more powerful variant of the Mi Mix 2, as it will be driven by the Snapdragon 845 processor. Some sources have even said it will be the first Snapdragon 845 phone in the world, and that is because Xiaomi will be launching it before MWC 2018. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S has been benchmarked on Antutu. A screenshot of the benchmark result was shared on Twitter. Xiaomi upcoming flagship scored a total of 270,461 points, which is a sum of the CPU, GPU, UX, and memory score. Although the device is not listed as Mi Mix 2S, but instead as Polaris, which is the code name of the device. Leaked images of the Mi Mix 2S shows the phone will feature an iPhone X-styled notch. It is reported to also come with face recognition feature. As for the design, the Mi Mix 2S has slim bottom bezel, is visible in one of the renders of the alleged Mi Mix 2S. Even the leakster has emphasized in his Weibo post that the bottom bezel of the rumored Xiaomi phone is slim. The upper bezel has a U-shaped cutout, like the iPhone X, which houses a selfie camera. The portion of the screen present on the left and right sides of the U-shaped upper bezel displays information, like battery status, network strength, and so on. Other rumored specs are dual rear cameras in the monochrome, plus RGB configuration, 6 GB of RAM, and an unusual aspect ratio. Recent reports have suggested that Xiaomi will be debuting the Mi Mix 2S flagship smartphone, instead of the Mi 7, at the Mobile World Congress later this month. The arrival of the Mi Mix 2S seems to be imminent, as the Chinese manufacturer has slashed the price of the Mi Mix 2.